Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a StellarMate Pro, StellarMate X Astronomy tool, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the unit not connecting, if it's sluggish, if it's not working, and you've tried a soft reset, you might need to move on to a hard reset. Now, if you do the hard reset, you're going to need to just set everything up again, because everything's going to be wiped off of here. All your configurations, all your photos, everything will be wiped clean off of this. But if that's something you want to do, it's pretty easy to do. You'll need something to use the reset button. We're going to use this reset button here. So what you want to do is you're going to cut power to the unit and then press and hold the reset button. And then while pressing and holding the reset button, you're going to restore power. And then you're going to continue to hold it until the unit emits a slow beep. Once it emits a slow beep, you can let go of the reset button. And it's at this point that you're going to basically tell it to do a hard reset as opposed to a soft reset. So you're going to then press and hold this button, the reset button, again for over 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. Release it, and that will initiate the hard reset. You should hear a beeping indicating that it's in progress. Allow it to complete the process. It might take a couple minutes, at which point you can turn it on and set it up as a new device.